Hi guys, welcome to our channel Codecraft AI. I'm Raj, a software engineer. So why am I doing this voiceover? Well, I just want to try something new. If you think it's good, let me know in the comments. Okay, today's topic is how to install Node.js. What is Node.js and why should we use it? Actually, I believe most of you already know about our 6-month goal. But in case you don't, let me explain it now. Our goal is to become a medium-level full-stack developer within 6 months, focusing mainly on JavaScript-related tech stack. I come from a middle-class background and was an average student, but still, I managed to settle well in the tech industry. The tips and tricks that helped me get here will be shared with you in the upcoming videos. That's the reason I started this channel, to guide you in a clean, fast, and effective way. Let's grow together. First, let's open any browser. I'm going with Chrome. Then just type Node.js download. You'll see some links appear. Simply click on the first one. This is the official Node.js website. We'll learn more about this UI in future videos. So here, I'm just showing you what all is available on the page. That's it, okay? You also take a quick look once. But don't worry about what everything means for now. We'll go through each part in detail in the upcoming videos, all right? If you're curious to know why Node.js provides support for all these options and what the differences between them are, just drop a comment below. If many of you are interested, I'll make a complete video on that too. Cool? Also, you can install Node.js in 2 ways. First, by using the command prompt or terminal, which is commonly used in Linux operating systems. We'll explore those commands later. Second, by downloading the installer from the official website, which is what we're doing right now. Next, select your operating system, choose Windows, and then select x64. After that, click on Windows Installer. It will start downloading. The installation is very simple. I've already downloaded the file. Now let's install it. Just go to your Downloads folder or wherever you save the file and double-click on the installer. That's it. After that, just keep clicking Next and Next, and the installation will be done automatically. Super simple. Now, why do we need Node.js? Because it allows us to run JavaScript code outside the browser, got it? Actually, we all know that JavaScript is traditionally a client-side programming language, right? But now, JavaScript has become an all-rounder. We can use it for client-side, server-side, and even in robotics. And one of the main reasons that's possible is because of Node.js. It helps JavaScript run on the server side by compiling it using Google's V8 engine, the same engine used in Chrome. In our upcoming videos, we'll also look at how client-side and server-side JavaScript actually work. Okay? Now look, it's installed. Just click on Finish, and you're done. That's it. Node.js is now ready to use on your system. In just a few clicks, you've set up the environment needed to run JavaScript outside the browser. We'll now move on to checking whether everything is working properly or not. Once it's installed, let's check if it's working. Open Command Prompt and type npm. Then try Node as well. If both respond, it's successfully installed. This confirms that Node.js and npm Node Package Manager are set up correctly. From here, you're all set to start coding and managing JavaScript projects on your system. See? It's that simple to install Node.js. In the next video, we'll run our first JavaScript file. After that, we'll go through the 6-month roadmap to get a job, even with just the basics. Trust me, I will teach you everything you need to reach the job level. But I need just one thing from you. Actually, 2 things. Discipline. In these 6 months, how much time can you dedicate to this course? We give 3 hours to a movie. Can we give at least 1 hour a day to our future? Commitment. As you already know, I'm a software engineer, so I don't always have a lot of free time. But still, I'm doing my best to make time for you all and bring the most valuable content, practical tips, and interview-related guidance. Right now, my plan is to cover at least 2 to 3 topics every week. For each topic, I'll give you 1 to 2 days to complete a task, and you'll need to push your code to GitHub. Those who complete the course with full commitment, including all tasks in the final project, will get access to a special giveaway at the end. Outside, a course like this could easily cost 60,000 Indian rupees to 70,000 Indian rupees. But here, all I ask from you is your discipline. I'll also guide you on how to get interview calls, how to stand out with your GitHub, resume, and real-time projects. Sometimes my videos may be a little late, but they will come without fail.
కొన్నిసార్లు రావడం లేట్ అవచ్చేమో గానీ రావడం మాత్రం పక్కా.
And just one more small favor. Please subscribe to the channel so we can stay connected, always. Also, let me know in the comments. Did you like this voiceover style, or would you prefer me to explain in my original voice from now on? I'll see you in the next video. Until then, this is Raj, signing off.